welcome to Ikea Bangalore, food court out here. There are two food courts. One we are seeing now is the downside opposite to billing counter. Here the prices are quite low. So it starts from as low as 19 rupees and tea, coffee and juice fillings, you can take one cup and fill it, that is just for 60 rupees. That is, if you buy 60 rupees one cup, you can refill it how many ever times you want. And there is 30 rupees, you get 2 samosas and many things like that. But when you're coming to upper food court, then that is Swedish food is also available here. So the prices is about 250 rupees and different kind of items cost different amount. Like we have to take this cookie, one piece is 50 rupees. These are freshly baked. So there are even all the Swedish food bowls, veggies, salads and also cakes and special cheesecakes that are quite only available right here. So now you can see these are mango cakes and you have to actually take the tray and we have to keep moving in a line, and there you can keep taking whichever food item you want, and even they can have a trolley. They can take the trolley, take the food item and they have to take everything and go towards the billing counter. That is the food court billing counter. There what will happen, you have to go bill everything. They bill according to whatever items you have chosen and then bill it.